We want to get rid of bad breath. Listen, I've talked about this many times before. How to fix it, what causes it. It's going to be quite simple, and this is going to be straight to the point here. You want to make sure you get rid of it. Here's how you do it. 1, home care. 2, professional care. Let's talk about number 1 first. Brush and floss regularly, at least twice a day. Brush twice a day, floss at least 1 time. My suggestion is you floss at night. All right, because you get all the food, everything kind of trapped in there. If you can floss beforehand before you actually brush. Here's my little hack. In the morning and night, I take showers, right? And so I brush my teeth in the shower. So I give my body a wash, I give my teeth a wash. And that way it's just simple. And before I hop in the shower at nighttime, I floss. That's my hack. Feel free to take it. Step number 2, professional care. To make sure that you stay on top of it and get rid of everything and fix it, it's every 6 months. 6 months, get that professional care. What happens is the hygienist gets down into the crevices of your gums, removes all the bacteria in between the teeth and the gums that help prevent that from build up over time, more chronically speaking, and causing bad breath. Simple. 1, 2, 3. Now the question is, you have 2 choices. 1 is to have bad breath over time. 2 is to have fresh breath. What's your decision? So I thought, decision number 2, so we'll see you soon.